Hindi siya uupo.
Dito ka na, sir. Dito ka na.
May we direct the COMSEC to administer the oath to Mr. Ramil Madriaga. Mr. Madriaga, kindly stand up.
Can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth before this committee? Thank you.